Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using Chrome or Edge because they handle tab audio sharing reliably. Enable hardware acceleration to reduce black frames. Next, open Netflix in a single dedicated tab and sign in, then pause the video so buffering completes. In Google Meet, click Present, choose a tab, pick the Netflix tab, and make sure to check Share Audio. This routes the audio and video together. Once done, play Netflix. You should see the stream and the preview before others join. Now troubleshoot intermediate causes, extensions, and system audio routing. Disable or temporarily remove ad blockers, privacy, or VPN extensions because they can block DRM streams or interfere with tab capture. Make sure your OS sound output is set to the same device the browser uses, and mute or close other media apps and tabs to avoid conflicts. If you hit DRM-related black screens, toggle hardware acceleration off, test playback. Then turn it back on if performance suffers. This often resolves encrypted streams. Finish by verifying playback with participants. Ask them to confirm video and audio, and advise a meet refresh if they only see black. If the problem persists, fully restart the browser, try a clean new profile without extensions, or use a third-party system audio loopback tool that shares desktop audio. One key troubleshooting tip. Test presenting a non-DRM video to determine whether Netflix DRM is blocking the feed. If non-DRM works, the issue is DRM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.